toddler. We are on the way to my friend Melanie's house. You've probably seen in some other vlogs. She has 2 kiddos the same ages as Landon and Presley. She's pregnant with her 3rd, so I'm like living vicariously through her. Just like I've been living through all these other YouTube mamas like Tiffany and Rochelle and Anna Saccone. Yeah, Austin and Jordan, and that's where we're going to play. So we're gonna have a little play date, and then after that, we're gonna be going to the doctor's appointment that I mentioned in, as you're seeing this, yesterday's vlog, but I just posted it today and was reading through some of the comments this morning. And a lot of people have said you don't think that there's anything, that this is like age appropriate and that he'll just get clearer and clearer over time. A couple of other people did just mention some things that I really appreciate you sharing that you've gone through with your kiddos. Like once tonsils were removed, that opened up the eardrums so that they could hear things clear and therefore like improve their speech. So that's definitely something I will ask about. I just really want to make sure that there isn't something I'm overlooking, just with all of the busyness that's going on in our life right now, because if there's anything I should be doing for my kiddo, I want to make sure that it gets done and taken care of, because I will do anything for my babies that's necessary. It's that like maternal instinct, I feel like, of just wanting to know. Even like when he had his allergies, it was like I just want to know what's causing this so that I can fix it and make it better. And that's where I just feel like I should ask the questions and figure out like, do we need to just go see a specialist and get their opinion and figure out like where we're at in all of this. I've had some girlfriends say, what does your mama instinct tell you? My mama instinct, I don't think there's anything seriously wrong, but I've got at least like a little bit of a buzz to be like, you should at least ask them questions, because maybe there are just small things I can be doing with him at home, just to kind of help him and just see a little bit more of an improvement so that he is easier to understand. Because 100%, like I think we all know and value the importance of communication and be able to get your point across, and if there's anything I can do at this age to help him, I obviously would be more than willing to do that. I just need to know what exactly I can do for him specifically. But I love you, buddy. I think you're amazing. I love you. Huh?
What's that?
I don't know, I think Presley dropped some of her snacks. But all right, are you ready to go to Melanie's house and play?
Yeah.
He's so excited to play. He was like raring to get out the door. But all right, let's go, bud. Are you gonna go ride with them? the doctor, huh? Oh, somebody is not excited about her shots. She's very squirmy. It's okay. Do you got your car up there?
What?
Do you have your car up there?
Yeah, but I'm riding on the road.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Oh my god, this is like already the hardest day. Oh my gosh, it feels way hotter here. And it actually is today. It says it's 75 degrees and I swear it feels like it's in the 90s outside right now. It could be because I was carrying Presley, because poor thing, that was like the worst I've actually ever seen her just react in general to the doctor's office, which it was a nurse practitioner actually that ended up seeing her today. And she was like, this is completely normal for 15 months. They usually spaz out. Because I was saying to her, I was like, I think this is the worst meltdown I've ever seen Presley actually have anywhere. And then just seeing her get the shots, it's like really sad because they're just so with it right now. You have like, it just like makes me sick to my stomach to actually have to like be there and like holding them while they do it. But I know it's like super controversial, but I would rather have them protected than not when it comes to vaccines. But update on Landon. So the first thing the nurse actually said to me was, wow, like he seems so smart, because she was chit-chatting with him about his name and about Disney, since we have an upcoming trip. And when I talked then about it, basically they said, if my intuition, which is like, or my instincts, she said, tell me that I think he needs to see someone, she'll make the referral. But that she didn't see anything that she felt like it was necessary. But she also said sometimes better safe than sorry. So what if he goes one time and everything's fine, then you don't have to worry about it. So I think I am just going to put in then the request just so that he can be seen and I can sort of clear it out of my head. Then if everything truly is okay, that would actually be like best case scenarios. I just don't have it weighing on me in the back of my mind. But I just really appreciate, because I was sitting waiting for a little bit, because you know they like weigh them and measure them, and then like you sit for a little bit waiting for the doctor to come in, and then you have to like wait again once you're waiting for like the actual vaccines. So I was just scrolling through a couple comments and everybody is just so supportive. So I just want to say thank you, because I think it honestly, it takes a lot to put some of the health stuff out there, but I just also know, okay, we're gonna go in a second, I'm sorry. I know you've had a rough day. This is not a good day. We've got to go. I've got to get moving. So
go to Poppy.
You're right, we're gonna go to Poppy's, but it's okay. Here, let me check. Did she have her binky, honey?
She does it.
What happened to your binky?
Maybe right there next to the seat.
Oh, she dropped it? Where did it go? Oh yeah, she did. Here. Well, good thing we're parked so I can get the binky. Gotta have our binky. That will make us feel better. About what I wanted to say, and then we have to get going to visit my dad and drop off his laundry. We have a wonderful doctor, and I think all of the nurses there are amazing, and we have an incredible healthcare system. Like here in Cleveland, the Cleveland Clinic is recognized around the world. But there are still things that, because you are with your child every single day, and that's just a small glimpse that you pick up on, that I also think sharing it with other mamas or other parents or anyone who, I know I have a lot of viewers who work in education or work in other industries where they're around kids often, and it is just nice to also then hear your experiences so that I can be educated enough to then ask my doctor about these things, just so that I'm doing what's best for my kiddos, and I share in case you're ever in a similar position with any of your kiddos too. So I just appreciate the positive comments and the supportive comments, and you know, the fact that this isn't something to mom shame or anything like that. Like, it just really, really helps when you are in a situation like this, just to feel like, okay, there's other people who are putting out advice and help and sharing their experiences in the comments too. So I just want to thank everybody who is just so incredible in the comments for sharing your story, what you've experienced, so that I can be educated, and so that other mamas following or other parents following or other people following are able to kind of read your comments too and learn from you. So thanks all of you. All right, ready to go see Poppy?
Yeah.
All right. So we just went through the Starbucks line and there's a new subscriber. It's funny, she said she recognized my voice ordering, but she found me through Tara, so. Yay! Well, shout out to Kelsey. That was so cool that you said hello. I love when I kind of get to know who's watching because you just never really know who's watching you. But she said this is the first day they had this new. This is the almond, it's like a protein shake, and I love this. It definitely has like a little bit of a grittier taste than just a Frappuccino, but not much, and it tastes really, really good. I like the almond a ton. So thanks, Kelsey, for saying hi. Shout out to you in today's video. And you ready to go see Poppy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gonna sit out here. We just got this new patio furniture, and spoiler alert, I did end up going with blue pillows. Many of you voted on our summer house tour video, so I'm gonna get rid of those pillows. Those are the ones that came with this set, and life has just gotten wild, so I haven't gotten to hang this stuff up yet. And the rug I ordered, I'm so disappointed at. I did order it like right at the end of July and it got back ordered, so it's not supposed to be here until the last week of August, which I'm like, well, can't really use it for summer, but that's okay. You don't need a rug to enjoy the green and your splash pool, right?
Wait.
My mom, how crafty is she? Landon, who made this flag?
What?
Who made the flag?
Like, John did.
No, Lolo did. John just carried it in, huh? But yeah, isn't my mom crafty? She made that little flag. That was so cute. Well, I'm gonna try to do some work and sit out here while Landon plays. Well, guys, this room's pretty much destroyed. Yeah. Hi. How you feeling, good girl? Well, guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Those vaccines did a number on this poor girl. She has literally been attached to my hip since she woke up from her nap and has just been really, really cranky and crying and cuddly. I feel so sorry for her because that's not her normal way that she operates whatsoever. She's very independent and playful and fun and like is never whining or complaining like that. So I feel bad. They must be making her feel a little bit sick. I'm sorry, sweetie. You're such a good girl. But if you notice, she did actually put on 2 of these. Oh, you want to go down? There you go. Down you go. All right, but I'm gonna call it a day. Thank you again all so much for being so kind and supportive in the comments. I really value this community that we have here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves. Say bye, loves.
Bye, Mom. Baby, fine.
Can I say it too? Say bye. Say bye. Oh, you blow kiss?